Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. I guess you're all fine, and today I'm just going to show you a short or a quick trick. Okay, yeah, so most of the times we convert um, most of the times we design on Pixellab and someone needs the design to edit or do something with it on Pixel on Photoshop, and we find difficulty. So I had this message from someone requesting for how to convert an image or a design made with Pixellab into a form that can also be editable when using Photoshop. Okay, so I'm going to use this design to illustrate how you will be able to do that. Okay, converting a PLP file to PSD, and also converting a PLP file to PDF with high quality for printing purposes. Okay, yes, so I'll go to the layers. Then we will first hide all the text you see on the screen, right? You can see that there are some text at the background in golden color. So those ones are part of the background. We consider them as part of the background. Okay, so we are just hiding the ones that we see on the screen. Okay, so or the ones communicating to us, right? Okay, so I think I've hidden all of them now. So I will just go on to save. Then I will save as I'll save with the ultra. Okay, so I'll save this. So let's just wait for it to do its thing. Great, so it has been done. We go back to layers and you unhide the text. This time around we'll be hiding the other elements that we didn't hide at first. Okay, so as I'm on hiding the text, I'm also hiding the other elements as well. Alright, so let's finish up with that also. So the weekend in golden color are considered as part of the background. So right now, as we are hiding the other elements, you hide them as well. Then after that, we go to this tool, then make the background transparent, and you can save that one. You can save that one too as well. So here is on PNG. Let it remain on PNG. So ultra, then you save straight forward. Great. So after dealing with our Pixellab, we go on to our search engine, right? Yeah. Great. So after saving your work in a form of PDF, PNG, and JPEG, you would have to come to this your search engine, then type photop.com. That you have to search. Network problem. Let me research. Great, so we are here now. So when you open the Photopea, this is the original background or the original interface. Okay, so we have file here at the far left corner. You click on it and you select open. Right now, this sends you to your file. You open your file, and my own is automatically opened the Pixellab file, but if your own does not open it, go to your Pixellab file. Okay, what we saved earlier will be there, right? So you just have to go through the file. I think my own comes down, so yeah. So these are the ones that I saved recently. So you first import the background, right? You first import the background, the image, and the other stuffs, other elements. So that is the one I have imported now. Now we go back to file once again, and we select open and place. The first one we selected only open for the background. Now for the text, open and place. Okay, so we click on it. It will open the file for us again. Then we'll go to our file. Okay, Pixellab file once again. So you locate your text as well, I mean the one you saved. So this is it. Now it will automatically place it as you did or you designed in Pixellab. Okay, so you can see on the screen now. After this is done, you need not to do anything to this. That is, in case the text falls at the back of the background, you only come here to these three papers showing there. Yeah, let me describe it that way. So you can see, you just click on the layer. In case this were to be here, the text were to be here, that is at the back of the background. So or yes, at the back of the background. So let me show you. So you just drag it here and put it at the back, or you can just drag it here, yeah, to put it at the back. But this is not the case. Yes, I was trying to see, this is what I was trying to show you. So you can see, if you go to the layers, the background is covering the text, so you have to just drag, you have to click and hold, then you have to drag to bring it at the back. Okay, the same as how we do it in Pixellab, then it will appear on it. After this, you'd have to go to files once again, and you can see here save as PSD. Okay, so that is when you want to save as PSD. So you click on it and it will start downloading. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so you can see that it has been downloaded. Now this is for and converting it to PSD. Let's go back to file once again. Now we want to save it as PDF, and let me remind you that saving it as PDF in this format does not reduce the quality. Okay, so it makes your work look nice even after printing. Okay, so you just have to go to export as, right, and we can see PNG, JPG, and the others. Okay, but we want PDF, so see PDF over here. You click on it. Okay, so here we go. It has been saved to PDF. Okay, so you can see open here, open for web. So let me just click on it and show you guys. The PSD cannot be open with the smartphone, right? But it has been saved in my file. So if I want to open it, I would have to transport it or transfer it first to my laptop with Photoshop here on it before I can view it over there. Yeah, I wanted to open the PDF for us to view it, but I don't know whether it's network problem or something. Yeah, but when you just reach this point, you just have to click on open, and it will also download and open for you to view. Yeah, so I've showed you two methods now. The first one is to converting a PLP file to PSD, and the second one is converting PLP file to PDF for printing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned, and I'll probably see you in my next video. Do try your hand on it, and if you face any difficulty, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Until we meet again, bye bye.